At Saratoga, the revolution hung in the balance, and one stunning American victory turned rebellion into a real chance for independence. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In 1777, on the wooded hills of upstate New York, a single campaign would change the fate of a rebellion and shock the world. Britain's plan was bold: cut New England off from the rest of the colonies and crush the revolution in one decisive strike. British General John Burgoyne advanced south, only to face American General Horatio Gates, backed by the daring and dangerous Benedict Arnold. At Freeman's Farm, gunfire ripped through the forests. The fighting was savage, and Britain began to bleed strength it could not replace. Weeks later at Bemis Heights, American forces struck again. Arnold, wounded yet relentless, broke the British line. Surrounded and spent, Burgoyne surrendered his entire army at Saratoga, more than 5,000 British soldiers lost. The world took notice. Saratoga proved America could win, and persuaded France to openly join the fight. Saratoga was more than a victory, it was the turning point that made independence possible.